Muscles. Introduction.
What kind of muscle is in the intestines and helps push food along?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Voluntary. 2. Involuntary smooth. 3. Involuntary cardiac. Correct. Point to the tendon.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. Tendons connect muscles to bones. Which of the following delivers messages from the brain telling muscles to move?
Choose one of the following options.
1. The bones. 2. The ligaments. 3. The nerves. 4. The tendons. Correct. The nerves carry orders to the muscles to move. Which of the following may cause tendon and muscle strain?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Repeated movements. 2. Overexertion. 3. Sudden movements. 4. All of the above. Correct. Repeated movements, overexertion, and sudden movements can all cause tendon and muscle strain. A fasciculation is a muscle twitch.
Select true or false.
Correct. Fasciculations are tremors or twitches.
Thank you for using Explain.